In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your FaceTime camera when it's not working on your iPhone. We've all been there. You're trying to start a FaceTime call only to realize your camera just won't cooperate. So, let's dive into some simple yet effective solutions to get your FaceTime camera back up and running smoothly. First up, let's try restarting your iPhone. It might sound too basic, but turning your device off and back on again can often solve software glitches. To do this, simply hold down the power button, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and then turn your iPhone back on. Once your phone has restarted, try using FaceTime again to see if the camera issue is resolved. If restarting didn't do the trick, the next step is to test your camera in another app. Open up the camera app on your iPhone and switch to the front camera. If it's working normally there, then the issue might be specific to FaceTime. If you still encounter problems, it could be a broader issue with your camera hardware. The third step is checking your app permissions. Sometimes permissions can get inadvertently toggled off, preventing apps from accessing your camera. Navigate to settings on your phone, scroll down to privacy and security, and select camera. Here, ensure that FaceTime is toggled on. This allows FaceTime to use your camera, which is essential for making video calls. Next, let's try closing and reopening FaceTime. This can help refresh the app and clear out any temporary issues. To do this, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause in the middle to access the app switcher. Find FaceTime, swipe up to force close it, and then open it again. Once it's open, place a test call to check if the camera is functioning properly. If the problem persists, it might be time to update your iOS. Updates often include fixes for bugs that could be causing your camera issue. Go to Settings, then tap on General and select Software Update. Follow the on-screen instructions to update if a new version is available. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, consider resetting all settings. This won't erase your data, but will reset certain settings, like your Wi-Fi passwords, back to their defaults. Head to Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, choose Reset, and finally select Reset All Settings. That's it. With these steps, you should be able to get your FaceTime camera working again. It's always a bit frustrating when technology doesn't work the way we want it to, but with a bit of troubleshooting, you can usually get things back to normal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you out today.